1995 Ranger Sport R70 bass boat with a 1995 Johnson Fast Strike 115 horsepower two-stroke outboard. The boat is 17 feet long and it's got a traditional bass boat setup. It has a rear casting deck here, and it's got a front casting deck with double rod lockers, and it also has a insert here from the factory to make the casting deck almost double the size, and that insert is removable. There's also storage underneath the insert for gear where you would normally have a floor. If you're fishing in rough water and you don't want the extra large deck, or you don't need the floor space, you can take the insert out and leave it at home. It's got a full bench seat here. In the back it's got a battery and oil tank compartment here. It's got storage here and on the other side, and it's got live well here. There's two foldable fishing seats. It's got a Lowrance X25 fish finder. All of these buttons here work: the nav lights, the bilge pump, the horn, and the recirculation pump for the live well. All the gauges work: miles per hour, fuel, trim, and speedometer. On the front it's got an original Eagle Cuda 168 EX fish finder. That's a basic one. It's probably from 1995 when the boat was new, but it has an updated, newer trolling motor. This is a Motorguide X3, 55 pounds of thrust with a foot pedal. As you can see, the deck is much bigger with this extension in it. The upholstery and the carpet are in really good shape for its age. The outboard runs really well. It starts easy, it idles smooth, it shifts gears just like it's supposed to, and it accelerates really hard up onto plane. And then it's also got a Ranger trailer. The tires are only, I think, 4 years old. It tows really smooth on the highway. All the lights work. It's got a crank wheel on it here, and then it's got safety chains, and it also actually has a removable tongue. You pull these and the tongue can come out. That way it cuts down on the garage storage space by approximately 2 feet if you park it in your garage. Another nice feature of this boat is that it's actually narrow enough, I should say, to fit through a standard 8-foot single car garage door. Most of the bigger Rangers did not fit through an 8-foot standard single car garage door. You have to have a double sized door like that one to get a bigger boat in there. So boat runs good. Gel coat's in good shape, the upholstery's good, the carpet's nice, the trailer's smooth, and the outboard runs great.